This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, it's October 25th, 2018. This one we're gonna call for a gas boiler. Guy's got no heat in the house. I worked for this guy before. We'll go over there and see what's going on with it. I know he's got a boiler over there. I worked for this guy before. So we'll go by and see if we can figure out what's going on with this thing. Great. Power vented unit. That ain't good. As I ran the unit, I'm not getting any voltage to the hot surface igniter down there, so it could be this vacuum switch or these ports that are a bit dirty. Ports up there, sometimes they get dirty. I'll try cleaning them out and then we'll check this vacuum switch. We'll see what's going on with it. I'm not getting no power to go to the igniter, so it's not going to work like that. Sometimes it just gets dirt in them ports. Plug that back in and we'll try it again. So we got a common, and then we got normally closed, normally open, so we'll see what's going on with that. The yellow goes down to the rollout switch, and then it goes to thermostat. And this red here comes from the power. So the red probably comes up here, and then as it runs, it goes through the yellow down. I think it's going to work now. See if we got power here at the thermostat. Transformer. Yeah, we got 26 volts here. Common and that, we got the 26 volts going in. 26 volts going out. See what we got here. 26 volts. That rollout switch is bad. 26 volts going in, nothing going out. Got a bad rollout switch there. Try that, tighten that up for us. Try that, the plate wasn't tight, maybe. Switch there. That plate wasn't tight in the back there, so that was affecting the ground. I don't know if I got that size rollout switch or not. That's our problem. might have one in the truck, I'm not sure, I'll have to see. See? That's our problem right there. Well, switch is bad. Alright guys, I gotta call in. I'm waiting for the guy to pick up, but it's a 228C. 228 Celsius. I'll see if I can get one. I can jump it out for now to get him heat. Alright guys, we'll put it back in and get this guy some heat, and I'll run out and go get it. I gotta call him to the supply house. He's gonna check and see if he's got that heat range, the proper heat range. Oh, I got it backwards. Let's see how it is. It's a little ceramic. It's got a little diode on there. You know, this shit goes. Gotta get the guy heat. You know. And you can see on this one of these has got a jumper on it. See it right there? Just for now to get him heat. We'll see if it rolls out or anything, but I'll just jump it out for now. Like that, you can see. See, it's just jumped out on one terminal. We'll put this all back together, and I did clean the flame sensor. Just to give the guy heat. I mean, it's not all burnt. If it was bad, this would be all burnt, cooked, and it's not. So that's why I know it's safe to jump it out. Usually don't jump out shit, but in case like this, it's fine. This is not burnt. None of this is burnt. Yeah, that's the one that's the one that must be 228. Oh, mine's a, yeah, same thing. 228, 226. I mean, maybe the writing's off a little bit. My eye's not as good as they used to be. 228C? Alright, yeah, put that aside for me. I'll come in for it. Just stock. Bye-bye. Alright, I'm gonna run out and go get that. Come back and run in for the guy. Come back with the new rollout switch here. It is heating up, going off on limit, so. Looks like some dead birds in there, but that looks clear. It's a little skeleton. It's not blocked. The frost is not blocked, so. And the fan's in good shape. See it? It's always good to check that when you get a problem with the rollout. It is a pretty high one, it's 228. I mean, that's the highest one that I had in the truck. that I stock on the truck. I just didn't have one. I got the 142, the 165, and then the 228 Celsius. That's the higher of the... Yes, hopefully it don't trip out again. It might. Alright guys, new rollout switch. Smoke pipe was clear, exhaust fan blade okay. So it's never good to jump them out and leave them like that, but it should be fine. Time will tell.